Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to set wallpaper from gallery. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. So first of all, we have to go to the setting. So you have to press the setting, then you have to come down a bit. You see your wallpaper, so you have to press this wallpaper. So you see here gallery, so you have to press this gallery. So I'll just put it. Yeah, so you have to press it done. So you see here, you have to press this first one, home screen. You have to press this one, then it will be set. So if you press that one only, you will get that wallpaper from home screen. You will get it. So before you leave this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.